Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here's wishing you all a very happy and prosperous Eid. Eid Mubarak everyone. So today's video is going to be all about Mall of the Emirates' decoration for Ramadan and Eid. Yes, you see, right now I'm standing in the Mall of the Emirates, which is currently the second biggest mall in Dubai. So this is all about the decoration that I'm going to show you today, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So keep watching it. So this mall was inaugurated back in 2005. Yes, like long ago. But you know what? When you come to this mall, you won't even feel that it's so old because it's so well maintained. Yes, it's very well maintained and it is every day, like a lot of people come here. The mall is very well planned and it is divided into particular sections so that you know which shop is where. So like the premium brands and everything, they are put in one section, and then you have the superstore, like the hypermarkets and everything, those are in the restaurants, cafes and everything. Like everything is very well planned. So Mall of the Emirates, this is basically this is by Majid Al Futtaim. Yes, they are a big name in the Gulf. Before the Dubai Mall came into the scenario, this used to be the biggest mall. So you can understand how many shops are there. Yes, plenty of shops, and like your feet will start aching. Like it happens the same with me. I don't know about others, but I get tired of walking and walking here in all the malls in Dubai. Not just this mall, here the malls are very huge. If I'm just coming with a purpose, then I know where to go. Like that is how you visit a mall in Dubai, unless you are on a tourist, you are a tourist and all, so that is different. But otherwise, like for us the residents, it's like it has to be very specific. So anyways, you see how huge this courtyard area is, this arena is. Yeah, and it's full of all the top designer brands. So yeah, that is it, and you can just go and visit any of the stores. It's very peaceful here. Nobody will force or just try to coax you into buying something or anything. It's all very peaceful over here. It's a 4-storied building with ample parking space, and you know what? There are few things that makes this mall extremely popular. One is the Ski Dubai. Yes. In today's video, you're just going to see a particular segment because this was just one of the areas of the mall, and I specifically visited this area to see the beautiful lighting and decoration that was done for Eid and Ramadan. Yes, so it's beautiful. See this crescent shaped hanging lights and everything. Yeah, they are like from the ceiling, the dome shaped ceiling, you can see them hanging high because, as I told you, it's a 4-layered building. See, these are the shops that you see here, and there are others too, not just the premium brands. Like this is a particular section, you will get all other, like of different levels, categories, you will find shops and everything. So I was just taking a peek, at some of the, I think this was Chopard. Oh no, this was Cartier. Yes. So I keep forgetting actually. You have too many brands here. And this mall is also very special to my heart because once upon a time I used to regularly visit it, not visit it, I used to commute via this mall because this particular mall is connected with the metro. Even Dubai Mall has got a metro connectivity. This mall is not just connected to a metro station, it is also connected to two other hotels. Yes, you have the Kempinski Hotel as well as the Sheraton. Like they are all connected to the Mall of the Emirates. And because many people who work in this area, like just next to the Mall of the Emirates, so it's easy for them to access the road via the mall. So you just get down from the metro and you travel within the mall and you then exit. So at one point of time, this used to be a regular route of mine, not anymore. So yeah, so many memories and everything. So just see how beautifully they have decorated it for Eid. And I was like, I was totally amazed to see the decoration that they have put out. Like every year they come up with amazing decorations. So this year I thought of sharing it, like, yeah. If you are new to our channel, then first of all, a very warm welcome to you. And if you are liking our videos, do give a like and share, and also subscribe our channel and become a part of the family. And you can also let us know your thoughts in the comment section. We would love to read them and work accordingly. Yeah, if you want to see anything else in Dubai, you may comment down, so we'll try and get that to you as well. Isn't the decoration lovely? Yes, it is. What do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. So yeah, everybody is wearing a mask, following the COVID protocols and everything, and it's very huge actually. So everybody is maintaining a distance, like it's not that you have to, like it automatically happens because the area is so big. So pretty stuff everywhere, and yeah, you get attracted to all these things. There are plenty of cafes as well, so you might just choose one and enjoy your favorite coffee or tea, whatever you want to. There's also Magic Planet inside this mall. Magic Planet is an entertainment zone, yeah, and it's very popular here in the Gulf. Plus, in the Mall of Emirates, you have a huge as in I think it's a 20 screen cinemas. Yes, you will see that in the video. Yeah, and it's very high end and everything. You really don't have to wait in ticket counters and get printed like you can just get your own print via the kiosk. You book your shows via the kiosk booking and everything. So yeah, this is also home to Ski Dubai. As I said, it's very famous, like tourists and everybody, whenever they are in Dubai, Ski Dubai is on the list. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, then please give a like and do subscribe to our channel. And we are the DXB couple vlog signing off for today, and last but not the least, here's wishing you all once again a very happy and joyful Eid. Celebrate with your blessed one